This is vacation time for 2017 at Table Rock Lake. Here comes Red coming down. Water is kind of deep. Good job, Durango. There we go. We're launching the boat into Table Rock Lake here at the resort. And Honey is gonna get the boat into the water, and Ives is gonna bring the car up. See ya, Bodie. There we go. We're so excited. The water looks so good. I'm ready to jump in. Woo! There we go. Sige, kamay pa, Noy. Alright. You're good. You're good. Sige pa. You're good. Sige pa, gamay pa. Okay, hold on. Okay, you're good, Noy. You're good. There goes boat. Going into the dock. Whee!